happens if we do this? Hi guys, it's Unders. I hope today is finding you well. This might be a quick video, this might be a long video, I don't really know. What we're doing, I'm having a look at Bassmaster, which is the new synth from Loopmasters, and it's essentially aimed at making bass lines, and I've straight away found it incredibly useful for anything between 128 to 140 BPM bass line. Like, it's set out so simply that you can throw things together so quickly. So I figured I'd just go over with you guys real quick the theory and the layout of it from what I understand so far. Now, I'm male, I don't read the manual, so if anything's wrong, hey, tell me in the comments down below. I'm not that bothered, I haven't read the manual, I'm just figuring it out and having some fun. So what I've essentially done here is I took this Brightly preset and I've played around with a couple of things, which is why it's got a little asterisk next to it. So that's nice straight away. Load a preset, change it, it lets you know that you've altered that preset and you can make it your own. I've just thrown some drums in just so you know. And this is the thing we built so far. So the whole thing really seems to be driven from this this section here on the left. You've got two samples, so you've got a sub layer and a sample layer, and then some things you can do with those. There's a whole bunch of different ones in each, and you can quickly change the sound using the ADSR on the top sample, or there's just the attack and release for the subs. And you can also shuffle them around, which is pretty nifty. I'm liking that. The difference you can make by changing the sample start, for example, is quite profound. So let's just hit this and do the little sample slide up. You can just change and tweak the sound a little bit. That's real similar to, say, Massive and its wavetable. Same sort of principle, but working in sampling. You're just changing the sample start position, so you get a different feel each time that it hits. It'd be really nice if you could link the sample start to like velocity or something like that, so you could have a slightly different sample start each time. Haven't figured out if you can do that yet, but it doesn't look like it. The other thing that's really nice is the attack on the sub layer, because it really has such a great effect on the sound, and it's what you saw at the start of the video there. So we can just do this. I think that would be a really great thing if we could automate that. You can really bring that like vocally effect in so quickly, I mean in a couple of seconds. Do you know what we'll do? We'll fly through some of the presets. Let's do introduction, and we'll just use the same bass line for everything and see how we sound. I'm making a tune with that bad dad bass the second I'm done with this video. That's sick. Alright, it's just for the fat bass sound. It's pretty awesome. What we do, we'll go back to the Brightly, and what I did to make that sound before was I was just using the little shuffle here, so just hit that. And just like that, we've got a whole new tone using the same settings, which is amazing. And it's so easy to tweak and build up the next one. I think it's worth mentioning the filter as well. So just a couple of adjustments on the filter. There are some crazy types of filters in here. Do you know what? Just listen. So I'll just on and off that filter we set up real quickly there and just listen to the crazy bite that's given. Oh, that pre-drive's just insane as well. So if we just have the filter amount at 0 and then we'll push it up, just hear the changes doing, it's crazy. Guys, I don't think I need to show you anymore. It's a really simple synth, but it gets the job done phenomenally well. And just go grab the demo. There's a 2-week demo available of it. I'll link it in the description below. Have some fun, get some crazy bass lines out of it within your time if you're not going to buy it. It's just, it's mental. I'm going to go and have some fun. Guys, I hope you're having a good day and continue down that path. Any questions, throw them in the comments down below. I love you guys and I'll see you soon.